Hey guys, it's Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil. Today I've been handling some projects. Well, the startings of projects. There's some materials right there. More to come with that. We're going to be upgrading my compost pit, but not today. Today, I've decided that I'm finally going to go ahead and pull my onions. And because these are my three biggest ones, and I wanted you guys to be in it with me. So let's go, let's get them, let's see what we got. All right, so if you've been here before and seen my previous videos, I've sort of kind of showed all the things I've got going here. Like I've got all my peppers, which are starting to just come on hot and heavy here. I may have to end up staking these. I don't know. If these keep growing like they are, well, this one's sort of kind of bent over here from a... Anyways, we're not here for that. What we're here for is down here. So we got one onion here. We got another onion here. And then our third onion is right down there. So let's go ahead and pull it. These are the other ones I've already pulled today. Those aren't quite as big. These ones haven't flopped over. Well, I guess the back one here has flopped over a little bit, but again, we're not here for those. So let's go ahead and get these ones. All right, move this out the way. I'm definitely gonna have to stake this pepper plant because its branches leaning heavy. Whoa, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's throw that puppy right there. That's one. Let's get this puppy here. That's number two. Throw her there. And let's get our last one over here. This one may be the biggest one out of all three of them. So let's go. Ready? As you can see, it's flopped over here. It's starting to dehydrate, so it's time to come out anyway. So let's rock it back and forth. Shake it off. Damn. Here we go. Let's see. Which one's bigger? Oh yeah, that last one by far is the biggest. So this is the second time that I've ever tried to grow onions. And I'd have to say it's by far my best harvest yet. So hopefully I can get better at it next year. And I'm telling you guys, I keep saying that I'm going to make a video about my wicking beds or wicking totes or whatever you want to call them. And I need to do that. I'm going to do that here very soon. But this is why I love these planters, because all I gotta do is check in here. I'm not sure if you guys can be able to see down in there or not. Let's see. No, you can't really see the shine of water down there. But all I do is fill it up in there whenever it gets dry. And then this stays nice and... Look, you see how dark that soil is? It's moist. It stays moist. What does that do? It feeds water to your plants constantly. They're consistently getting water. The nutrients are in the soil. They get washed down into the water from the rain because there's drain holes down the bottom of them. And they're just stupid, simple to use. And I can't complain. And like I said, those are this size because they're growing in here with constant water supply. These ones over here are the same variety as those, but because they're in this bucket, inconsistent watering leads to smaller onions. So that's all I got for you guys. Like I said, stay tuned. Let me get you guys back to see me. All right, so as far as my ranting for today about the utilitarianism of these wicking beds, I got the projects coming. Like I said, we got videos coming about my upgrade to my compost pile. I've got some strawberry rooting and propagation stuff coming up because Bowtie Dave, I got you, bruh. I like your method, but I got a slightly better one, if I say so myself, but everybody will have to wait and see for that one. We got some stuff coming up with my other wicking beds. We just gotta, because everything's jumping now. Everything's growing, everything's jumping now. And I just want to show you guys what all is going on here and just keep you guys in tune with all that. So with that, Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil, and I'm out of here. See ya. Woo!